Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the airport maps in the United Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the Tools and Services section, look for the Airport Maps button and click on that. And here you can find all the available airports. So just click on the one that you want to search for, like Las Vegas. And here will be a map of the Las Vegas airport, and within that you can search for bars, ATMs, lounges, and different other services. So if you want to look for ATMs, just click on that, and as you can see there's quite a few of them. So if you want to search for one of these, just click on them, and you will see the details of that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.